In our last video, we created it where you can click the two different login or sign up, and a different box will drop down. And then I showed you how to create a input box, text box, into our login box to allow you users to log in from here. And then where we stopped is the ability to click on the body and then the box will disappear. But then we come to the problem of when we click on the box itself, the box disappears, and obviously we want to change that because of we want the users to be able to click into the input box here, or click a button, or click any other thing else, or just click on here, and we don't want to do anything. So to do that, we're going to actually stay within our click function here, and then we're going to test if you are hovering over it, and then if you are, we want to not allow you to close it. So um, before we do that, let's actually see it happen in the console.log, and then again we need to see the individual box that we're hovering over. So we were going to make use again of our um, variable box here to test for which one that we're currently hovering over. And then I'm introducing a new um, jQuery element here, and it calls is. So it tests for is. So is hover, is click, um, is almost anything. This is basically the way it sounds, and the opposite of that we're actually going to cover is called not. So not hover or not click or not something that you want it to not be. So anyways, let's go ahead and hit save on this and go back to our web browser, and then let's do expect elements, refresh, and let's go to the console, and then go ahead and hit login, and you'll see it says false, but then when you click on the box it says true. So this is a big key right here. So we want to test for if true, if hover equals true, then don't do any, or no, if it is equals true, then yeah, then don't do anything, so that way it won't trigger the hide here. So let's go ahead and write our if statements. And I'm going to do if box is equal to true. Oh, no, we don't want to do true, we want to do false, because we don't want it to be true that they are hovering over it. And so let's go ahead and refresh and see if it works. Alright, great. So it did work. So now you can, it also apply to sign up, since I'll grab that unique ID. So now you can add more text boxes to here. You can add input. You can add different things. You click on here. It's not going to make a difference. We click anywhere else on the body, and it will disappear. But as long as we click within here, it will stay on our page. If you wanted to test for not, you do not, and that would be equal to true, since it's opposite. And just to make sure. And so now it works. So in that case, it's basically up to you. What is your preference, if you want to be is or not? And then the only difference is setting the true or false value. And then something I don't think I've done before, but I want to show you guys real quick, is there's actually a triple equal mark. And let's see if this works. I'll explain what it does, and if it doesn't, I'll still explain it. Okay, so it works. So what this is this is actually testing for the let's look at the number. This is the easy way to think of it. So top. So the top's equaling 1px. The reason why we do 2 equals here is because this is can be deceived either as a number or as a characters, and since we don't know which one it's going to be, we do just the 2 equals, so that way I'll compare. Okay, is it going to be a number, or is it going to be characters? In this case, since we know it's going to be characters and we test for true, we can use a triple value. So basically this ensures that this is true. There is no other instances of this, but basically again it's for numbers. So this would actually not work. And just to show you, let's go ahead and save. And see, so it doesn't work because this is not equal to 1px. This is not equal to the number. It's equal to the character. So I'm probably not explaining it best. It'd be good if you look it up, but that's something I try to use. Is if you know for sure that I want to test for a number, I'm going to use triple one. If I'm unsure if it's be a number or characters, I'll use the double one. But it's just another way of testing for something. And then the same thing works for, I haven't showed false before, but if you want to try to check if something is unequal, you do a quotation mark and then equals mark. But the same thing is with the triple equals. If you do this, it's the same thing again. It's going to test, okay, is it a character or is it a number, and is it equal to it? But if if you're unsure, then you just use the quotation mark and the equal sign to test for the value. And I think I should stop the video at this time. I think that what I want to start concentrating on is doing actual more short videos of different things rather than building onto a web page. I think that'd be a lot more helpful to you guys. So I'm basically just open that if you want me to continue building an actual website and showing different things, I'll do that. Or else I am going to just start doing individual projects like a mega menu or a slideshow, or going into the different jQuery elements and showing you how to, okay, this is how you use this one, examples, and just giving more easy to follow examples rather than a full-fledged website. So anyways, like I said, if you want me to continue doing these series, I will, or else I'll just start doing short ones. Thank you for watching, and look forward to the next video.